guys, so we're making Cavatelli Alla Carrettiera. So first things first, most important part, get your pasta water boiling and always salt your pasta water. Very important. Number two, we're gonna start with our saute pan. Saute pan, really high quality extra virgin olive oil. Get it right in there and put a good amount in here, guys. We're gonna need this, all right? So next step, we're gonna put a little bit of garlic in here. Sizzling's a good thing. A little bit of chili flakes and some beautiful basil leaves. So now what you're trying to do here is you're actually seasoning the oil, right? Seasoning the oil part's most important. Now, most important thing is make sure you do not brown the garlic, okay? You just want it to be lightly translucent. So as your garlic's getting that slight little translucence to it and the basil's going in there, we're gonna add our pasta into the water, right? Because it's gonna take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to cook. Right into your water. A few more in there. All right, so as that's going now, we're gonna add our tomatoes, all right? So get your tomatoes in there, give them a little squeeze. You want all that sauce to start doing its thing. Squeeze them in there. With that, we're gonna add a few of these peppers. And about 1 or 2 more basil leaves. The more basil, the better for this dish. So once the tomatoes and all those go in, you're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, okay? You can always add more salt, you can't take it away, so start nice and easy. With that, we're gonna put a little nub of butter, all right? As the butter's doing its thing, the most important part of this dish is actually the pasta water, okay? The pasta water itself has a lot of starch in it, and that's super important. It's what's gonna bring this dish all together, all right? We'll do 1.5 scoops. Now remember, we season this. You always salt your pasta water, so since we seasoned it, that's why you don't wanna go too heavy on this, right? All right, so as it starts to boil a little bit and you get all that butter in there and everything really start to marry its flavors, the pasta's ready, all right? So we're gonna come right from here, get all that water out. We already added that pasta water right into the pan. All right, give it a nice little toss. And from here, you're gonna go right into the bowl, okay? Right into that bowl. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish this dish, okay? So we're gonna a couple more basil leaves in here because we want this to be super fresh. Some beautiful black pepper. All right, good amount of Parmigiano Reggiano. Another little touch there. Then we're gonna do extra virgin olive oil. It's my favorite part. All right, you're gonna start getting that nice and creamy, right? But the most important part is giving this a taste. The last thing you wanna do is serve under-seasoned food to somebody. A little more salt. Give it a nice vigorous mix. And you're all set, time to plate. More Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Just like that. Buon appetito.